What's going on, guys? My name is Kyle for Techademics, and in this video I'm going to show how to update your WordPress themes and plugins. Okay, so to get right into it, it's super easy. What you want to do is sign into the back end of your website, and you want to go onto your dashboard, which will look like this. Now what you want to do is click on updates here, and I'm currently showing 11 updates, and it will say that if you are automatically on the latest version, it will obviously say here. If not, you can always click check again, and it will obviously check for another version of WordPress. So just below that you see plugins, and you see all of the plugins that need updating. So I've got a fair few here, and if you keep scrolling down, it will also give you some themes to update as well. So it's simple to do. All you want to do is click select all, or select the ones you want to update, and then click update plugins. And it's exactly the same for the themes as well, but you can't do them at the same time, so I'm going to go ahead and do plugins first, and then my themes. Okay, so it shouldn't take too long. It should only take a couple seconds, probably up to a minute max, depends on how big the updates are and how many plugins you got. So you can do the same thing with the themes, and it's as simple as that. If this video is helpful, please leave a like and pass it on to someone who may find it helpful as well. Don't forget to subscribe to see more videos like this, and thank you for watching.